Today I'm going to show you how to import saved logins from a CSV file in Firefox, step by step. This is a super useful trick if you've exported your passwords from another browser or password manager and want to bring them into Firefox quickly without entering everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button, which looks like the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access browser settings and saved data. From that menu, click Passwords. This will take you to the Firefox Password Manager where all your saved logins are stored. Once you're on the Passwords page, look for the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open more options. In the list that appears, select Import from File. This tells Firefox that you want to bring in login data from an external file, such as a CSV. Now a file picker window will open. Find the CSV file that contains your saved logins. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have more than one export saved on your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Firefox will then import the saved logins from that CSV file into your password list. After the import finishes, take a moment to check your saved passwords and confirm that everything has been added correctly. And that's it. You've successfully imported saved logins from a CSV file in Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials just like this one.